friends, welcome to my channel Commerce Knowledge. In this video, we see the MCQ of Paper 4 Management Accounting Part 2. These MCQs are asked in the Gujarat University April 2015 exam. So let's start it. First question is, under blank method of pricing, two separate transfer pricing methods are used. Okay. Now we see the various options. Option A, negotiable transfer price. B, dual pricing. C, market price method. D, total cost method. So which is the correct option? It is the option B, dual pricing method. In dual pricing method, two separate transfer pricing methods are used. Now we see the next question. Question number 2, negotiated transfer price is adopted when? What is the question? When to adopt negotiated transfer price? Various options are given. Option A, outside market price is not available. B, business is operated in two different countries. C, transfer price is based on marginal cost. D, market price are different. So which is the correct one? It is the option A, outside market price is not available. When outside market price is not available, negotiated transfer price is used. Now we see the next one. It is equation 3. Under blank method, return on investment ROI is considered as profit in transfer price. Okay, what is the question? Question is that in which method ROI is taken as a profit in transfer price? What are the options are? Option A, market price. B, dual pricing. C, negotiated transfer price. D, cost plus. Which is the correct one? It is the option D, cost plus. In this method, ROI is taken as a profit in a transfer price. Okay. Now we see the fourth one. Question number 4. Controllable profit is equal to. Options are given. A, return on investment. B, revenue minus controllable expenses. C, revenue minus variable cost. And D, revenue minus fixed cost. So which is the correct one? It is option B, revenue minus controllable expenses. So what is a controllable profit? It is the revenue minus controllable expenses. Now we see the next one. Question 5. Responsibility accounting is system of. Options are A, cost accounting. B, financial accounting. C, management accounting. D, all of these. So which is the correct one? It is the option C, management accounting. Okay. So responsibility accounting is system of management accounting. Now we see the next one. Question number 6. Responsibility center include. Options are A, price centers. B, supply centers. C, investment centers. And D, production centers. Which is the correct one? It is option C, investment centers. Okay. Responsibility center include investment centers. Now we see 7th one. Question number 7. Transfer pricing is useful for. Options are A, evaluating performance of an enterprise. B, evaluating performance of an department. C, calculating cost of product. And D, all of these. So which is the correct one? It is the option B, evaluating performance of department. So when the organization wants to evaluating performance of department, it used transfer pricing. Okay. Now we see the next question. Question number 8. IRR, internal rate of return, is. Options are A, cutoff rate. B, hurdle rate. C, WACC. D, all of these. So which is the correct one? It is the option A, cutoff rate. Okay. So IRR is what? It is a cutoff rate. Now we see the next one. Question number 9. Out of two mutual exclusive projects, which project will be selected? Okay. So what is a mature exclusively project? It means company has to select any one project out of the all the project. Company cannot invest in all the project. Okay, it is a mature exclusively project. Now we see the various options. Option A, whose coefficient of variance is lowest. B, whose coefficient of variance is highest. C, whose coefficient of variance is equal to IRR. D, whose coefficient of variance is equal to WACC. So which is the correct one? It is the option B, whose coefficient of variance is highest. Okay. So when the company have two mature exclusive project, it select the project whose coefficient of variance is highest. Okay. Now we see the next question. Question number 10. Under which method cash inflow of each year is reinvested? Okay. Now we see the various options. Option A, net present value. B, internal rate of return. C, payback period. D, terminal value. Which is the correct one? It is option D, terminal value. Okay. In the terminal value method, cash inflow of each year is reinvested. Now we see the next one. Question number 11. Capital budgeting blank. Options are A, is a decision for future. B, is a decision for present. C, is a decision for past. And D, option A and option B. So which is the correct one? It is option A, is a decision for future. So what is a capital budgeting? Capital budgeting is a decision for future. Now we see the next question. Question number 12. Higher the discount rate blank. Options are A, lower the present value. B, higher the present value. C, no relation with present value. D, none of these. So what is the correct one? It is the option A, lower the present value. Okay. So when the discount rate is higher, the present value is lower. So there is an inverse relation between discount rate and present value. Now we see the next question. Question number 13. Where the cost and revenue change at different rates of inflation is known as blank. So what is the question? At different rate of inflation, when cost and revenue changes is known as what? Options are A, differential inflation. B, synchronized inflation. C, general inflation. D, specific inflation. So which is the correct one? It is the option A, differential inflation. So what is a differential inflation? It is a inflation where the cost and revenue change at different rate of inflation. Now we see the next question. Question number 14. In certainty equivalent approach, options are A, expected cash flow is converted to equivalent risk-free amount. B, elimination of uncertainty from cash flow. C, option A and option B. D, none of these. So which is the correct one? It is the option B, elimination of uncertainty from cash flow. So in certainty equivalent approach, there is elimination of uncertainty from cash flow. Okay. Here our MCQs are completed. Thanks for watching.